Going green is no longer just an option for businesses. 92% of consumers say they're more likely to trust brands that are environmentally or socially conscious. Implementing sustainable practices is integral to the success of a 21st century company. But it's never as simple as slapping a recycle logo onto your products. Companies nowadays must juggle the use of sustainable raw materials, technology improvements, and green-oriented marketing, all while striving to meet regulatory requirements. Eduardo's Eco Module trains companies of the future in minimizing environmental impact while keeping the company profitable over time. Take control of a manufacturing company as you navigate through the challenges of going green in real time. Make sales decisions while considering the environmental impact and the life cycle of your product. Achieve operational efficiency by managing staff, warehouse capacity, and finances. Maximize your company's potential by finding the right balance between using conventional and eco-friendly raw materials. Develop new eco projects to optimize production, reduce environmental impact, and increase your eco score. Determine your marketing strategy while considering your company's current sustainability levels and the risks of greenwashing. The module was created based on the cooperation of Eduardo and EcoEd, a Chilean enterprise that specializes in business sustainability. Contact us or visit our website to try the demo for free with no sign-up or installation required.